Greetings. This is Tony Goodesmith, President and CEO of Standard Medical Systems, and I just wanted to give you our testimony of what a great, fantastic meeting we were so privileged to be a part of at the Singapore City 2019 Orthopedics and Advanced Care meeting, and we were so privileged to meet and to be inspired by such gifted and great medical care providers from all over the world, from Singapore City, the whole city, as well as India, Benghazi, Sweden, and even right here in the USA. So we are so proud, and we are so blessed that we had the chance to be part of this great international meeting. And we look forward to the next meeting, which is this summer in Dubai City, on the topic of prosthetics, which we also have some great medical devices and services that can be very useful in helping to raise the standard of excellence. So again, I want to thank Captain Cruz, the organizing committee, and until next time, remember, your health is your wealth. Thank you again.